This is a huge one. I call it playing power of attorney. Do not allow power of attorney. What that means is someone comes in and says to you, everybody thinks, or Bill, John, Chris is not happy with your decision. You, as a leader, you have to say, well, since they're not in the room, what do you feel? Oh, I'm just trying to tell you what everybody thinks. I'm not curious right now about everybody else. You came to me and apparently you think it's important. What do you think? Make people represent themselves. And if they keep trying to represent 2 or 3 other people or one other person, let's bring them into the room. Because where leaders get into this big trap is that playing power of attorney, and they do it as well whenever they need to correct a behavior, or they've heard from someone that Julie is causing a problem. Well, then I say to Julie, everyone says you are like, that does not work. It creates more drama in the team. So you have to say, like, I've observed some tension. I suspect something's going on. I don't know. I'm just checking in. So in other words, we don't start throwing other people under the bus. If Kim said, Alicia said, Julie said, Kim said, Raul said, we represent what our concern is, or we get those people into the room. You will save so much problem if you will quit representing other people and letting other people represent others.
That's great. This idea of going back to focus on the observed behavior and don't make assumptions, right? Because if you're just doing this, say, well, I know that you're upset because so-and-so said this, or because of what I saw in the meeting. Typically people are going to be caught off guard. Their guard's going to go up, and it's not going to be productive. You're going to get caught into a stalemate. So those 2 tips, absolutely valuable. Observable behaviors, don't make assumptions. Thank you.